Hello student, today we will discuss about differentiability. It is the very most topic of 12th calculus. Differentiability tell us whether a function has a derivative at a point or not. Differentiability tell us whether a function has a point derivative or not. Example, fx equal to x square is a differentiable function. Is a differentiable function because right hand limit right hand derivative equal to left hand derivative of this function. Differentiability. What is the differentiability? First question arrive to listen the word differentiable comes in our mind. Differentiability is the process any function fx is said to be differentiable if its derivative exists. Example, fx equal to x cube is differentiable क्योंकि f dash x equal to 3x square, its derivative exists. It is the main formula of differentiability. F dash of a equal to limit h dash to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. This is the main formula of differentiability to find differentiability of any function. Next, for differentiability, the initial condition is left derivative equal to right hand derivative. Left derivative is this. Is this. Right hand derivative is this. It is the left hand derivative function and right hand derivative function definition. Next, we take one example, fx equal to mod x. It is differentiable or not. It is differentiable or not. Mod x equal to minus x plus x when x less than 0, x greater than equal 0. F of dash x equal to minus 1 and plus 1, x less than 0, x greater than 0. यानी कि right hand derivative is not equal to left hand derivative. So mod x is not differentiable function at x equal to 0. Differentiability is a point-wise differentiability because it depends on the point. Next, according to geometrically, the another definition of differentiability is this: derivative represent slope of tangent. यानी कि any function f of y equal to f of x is called differentiable if it has unique tangent. Otherwise, it is not differentiable if it is have bucks, breaks, and sharp corner. Function not differentiable at sharp corner, curves, and vertical tangent or discontinuity. Example is fx equal to mod x is the graph of mod x. It is a graph of mod x. At 0, in graph of mod x, we show sharp corner. So mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Next, another example we have fx equal to x square. The graph we have draw of the x square is this fx equal to x square, because it is the similar kind of parabola. It is the graph of parabola. Any point of this graph curve, we have unique tangent. We have unique tangent. Then fx equal to x square is differentiable everywhere. In this lecture, we study differentiability according to mathematically, we study differentiability according to geometrically, we study differentiability of function fx equal to x square. It is the differentiable everywhere because its graph has unique tangent every of its point. In this lecture, we saw that fx equal to mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0, because mod x is not differentiable at x equal to 0 if the graph of mod x have sharp corner at x equal to 0. So in this lecture, we conclude that the differentiability there are checked by two types. First, mathematically, right hand derivative equal to left hand derivative, otherwise derivative existence. Secondly, we check differentiability by the geometrically. We have draw the graph and check graph does not have sharp corner, curves, discontinuity on vertical tangent. Otherwise, the function it is not differentiable at that point. Let's we end the lecture of differentiability. Next day we talking about continuity. It is the further step of differentiability. Thank you all students.